Money isn't just numbers on a screen or paper in your pocket. It's power, freedom, and sometimes your worst enemy. So why do some people seem to attract wealth effortlessly while others struggle paycheck to paycheck? Today we're diving deep into the psychology of money, the hidden rules that make or break your financial future. Stick with me because in the next 5 minutes, you're going to learn how to rewrite your money story and take control of your financial destiny. But first, let me ask you this. What's the most expensive mistake you've ever made? Think about it, and let's find out how to never make it again. Most of us have been lied to about money. We're taught that saving every penny is the only way to get rich, or that making money requires endless hard work. Yet here's the truth. Wealth is 80% mindset and only 20% mechanics. Let me paint a picture for you. Imagine someone earning 6 figures but drowning in debt. Then there's another person making a modest income, yet growing their net worth every month. Same money, different results. Why? Because the first person lets emotions, fear, greed, envy, dictate their financial decisions. The second understands the psychology of money. Which one do you want to be? Let's break this down into 3 crucial lessons. 1. The relationship between money and emotion. Money is emotional. Think about the panic of seeing your bank account drop unexpectedly, or the thrill of a sudden windfall. These emotions drive our choices, but they're often irrational. For instance, ever bought something expensive just because it was on sale? That's emotional spending. The solution? Create a system. Automation for bills, investments, and savings removes emotions from the equation. Quick thought. If your wallet could talk, would it thank you or beg for mercy? The power of compound decisions. Wealth isn't built in one big move. It's the result of small, consistent actions over time. This is what I call the compounding effect of decisions. Imagine choosing between a $5 coffee every day or investing that $5 in an index fund. Over 10 years, that simple swap could mean thousands of dollars saved or earned. And here's the kicker. It's not just about money. The habits you build today dictate your financial future. So what small habit can you start right now? 3. Understanding opportunity cost. Every dollar you spend today is a dollar you can invest tomorrow. That's the opportunity cost. Here's a question. If you had $1,000 today, would you spend it on a weekend trip or invest it in something that could grow to $5,000 in a few years? The trick isn't to avoid spending. It's to ask, is this purchase worth my future freedom? Once you start seeing money this way, your spending transforms into strategic investments. So what's the takeaway? Money isn't just something you earn and spend, it's a tool. The way you think about money defines whether it controls you or you control it. If you've been letting emotions, bad habits, or short-term desires sabotage your financial future, here's your wake-up call. Change doesn't happen someday, it happens now. But here's the twist. In the next video, I'm sharing the one strategy wealthy people use to multiply their money. You don't want to miss this. Before you go, remember, financial freedom isn't a dream, it's a decision. Make yours today. Subscribe for more insights on mastering your money and living the life you deserve.